Hey, thank you for your question. I do not buy Laoganma, which is a Chinese chili sauce brand anymore. Instead, I make my own authentic Szechuan chili oil. Here is the recipe. For the prep work, we're going to slice some ginger, spring onion, adding garlic and cilantro. Furthermore, we're going to use some Chinese spices I have listed here, which is available for purchase in my bio link. Well, it is chili oil we are making here, so obviously it has to be spicy, right? Today in this video, I used Thai chilies. You can use other types of dried chilies if you do not wish to make it so spicy. Simply crush the chilies into chili powder and transfer to a bowl. Now that we have spicy chili powder, in order to obtain bright red color for the chili oil, we're going to add regular crushed chili powder and sesame seeds. We are almost there, guys. Once we heat up the oil to the right temperature, drop in the ingredients we have just prepared. Simmer on low heat until they are golden brown. Furthermore, we're going to add in the Chinese spices to continue cooking until all the oil gets aromatic and flavorful, just like that. Once we heat up the oil, simply pour it all over the chili powder. There you have it. This homemade, aromatic, spicy Szechuan chili oil. It can be used for a lot of Szechuan dishes like noodle soup or side dish chili sauce. For recipes in my bio. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good one.